Part of our commitment to putting Southeast Texas first means getting answers to your legal questions. Here on Wednesday afternoons, we get to Ask the Judge, and we're joined this afternoon by Judge Larry Thorne from the 317th District Court here in Jefferson County. Judge, it's good to see you.
Hey, it's great to be back. What has it been, 16 years now doing this?
You have quite
I might have a few answers.
Quite the legacy. All right, this first question from someone who says, is it legal for your spouse to have checks deposited in their account without you signing? What if it's an account that you're not part of?
This question could take all day, but in answer to the first part of it, if you have a joint account, yes, you can put it in there. If it's not a joint account, then there's a lot of banks that will not allow that without a signature. The problem is that state, federal, and credit unions have different rules.
So it seems like the answer is yes, it's legal, but you need to talk to your bank or credit union to figure out kind of what the stipulations are.
Well, yes, except I don't think they're going to let you put if it's not a joint account, they're not going to let you put his check unsigned into your account. I don't believe any of them will.
Makes sense. Makes sense. This is also a finance question. This person says, is it legal for someone to charge an additional fee if you use your charge card, a credit card or a debit card? I saw a notice placed in the window that a 3.5% fee would be added for use on credit cards. So they're asking specifically about credit, Judge.
Unfortunately, I have to answer yes, and it's been that way for quite some time. It's just that fee has gone up substantially. Be happy that they actually posted it, because a lot of establishments won't even tell you till at the end when you're signing your credit card receipt. But yes, they can do that. If you pay in cash, then there's no extra charge. If you use your credit card, then you're going to get the fee.
Okay. Finally, a follow-up question from one we had last week here on Ask the Judge. We were talking about whether Texas landlords had to furnish working air conditioning. A woman actually called us saying, my landlord keeps removing the AC from my apartment, a window unit. I decided to withhold my rent until they return it. Do I have a right to do this?
There is no law in the state of Texas that requires a landlord to have air conditioning. What the law says is that the place must be good enough that it does not affect your health or safety. I would first look at your contract. And does your contract say that they're going to provide air conditioning? Aha! If they do, then give written notice and tell them that you want it fixed or repaired or replaced. And if they don't, you may have the ability to fix it yourself, pay for it, and deduct a maximum of $500 from your rent. Do not stop paying your rent. That is never good. Also, in that last case, if it's in your lease, you might want to call an attorney.
Yeah, maybe you can get a little law help on your side. Judge, it's good to see you. We'll have to leave it there this afternoon.
Good to see you.
All right, we appreciate your time. If you've got questions for the judge, go to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge, and there's a form to fill out right there.